I was tired of working every day, tired of paying bills, tired of sending money home, and still feeling stuck. So I made a decision. I decided to try 5 different side hustles. Some looked easy, some looked exciting, some looked like they could change my life. But the truth is, most of them failed. I lost my time, I lost energy, I even lost money. But one of them changed everything. And today, I will show you all 5 so you don't make the same mistakes. Welcome to Kristo Invest. On this channel, we talk about profitable business ideas, how to grow your business, simple and real ways to make money, build wealth, and grow your life, especially if you are living in the diaspora. If you're working hard every day but still feel like you are not getting ahead, then this video is for you. Now, let me tell you a story. Imagine this. You wake up early in the morning. Maybe you are in the US, maybe you are in the UK, or maybe you are in Canada, or maybe you are in Thailand. You go to work, you work hard, you come back home tired. Then bills start coming. You have your rent to pay, food, transport, family support. And at the end of the month, almost nothing is left. That was my story. And one day I realized something very important. Working hard is not enough. You need something extra, something that can grow your money. That is when I started trying side hustles. Now, I told myself I will try 5 different side hustles and see which one actually works. Let's start with the first one. Hustle number 1. The first hustle I tried was online selling. The idea was simple. Buy something cheap and sell it for a high price. I thought it would be easy, so I found products, clothes, shoes, small items, name it. I posted them online and waited, but nothing happened. No messages, no customers, no sales. Let me explain it simply. Imagine opening a shop in the middle of nowhere. No people, no traffic. Will anyone come? No. That was my problem. Nobody knew I existed. After some time, I gave up. Listen, selling online is not just about products. You need attention. You need trust. Let's go on to hustle number 2. The second hustle was delivery work. Driving around, picking up food, dropping it off. At first, it felt good. Money was coming in, small but steady. But then I noticed something. The more I worked, the more tired I became. And when I stopped working, the money stopped. Let me explain it simply. Imagine a tap. Water flows only when it is opened. Close it and the water stops. That is how this hustle works. It is not bad, but it is not freedom. It is just another job. The third hustle was sending goods back home. To places like Accra, Lagos, Nairobi, the idea sounded smart. Buy abroad, sell back home. But then problems started. Shipping was expensive, delays happened, sometimes goods arrived late or damaged. Imagine sending something important and it arrives broken. That is painful. In the end, I lost money and I learned something. Logistics is not as easy as it looks. The fourth hustle was managing social media. Helping businesses post online, reply to messages, grow their pages. This one had potential, but there was one big problem: trust. Nobody knows you at the beginning. No reviews, no proof, so people hesitate. I got small jobs, but nothing stable. Lesson: skills take time, and trust takes even longer. Okay, so if you're enjoying this video so far, take a second to subscribe to Kristo Invest, because on this channel, we break things down in the simplest way possible, so you can actually understand money and grow. Also, comment below and tell me which of these side hustles have you tried before. Now, let's move on to hustle number 5. Note this. At this point, after trying all those 4 hustles, I was indeed tired. 4 hustles, no real success. I almost gave up, but I tried one last thing, and this one was different. It was simple, very simple, a basic service, something people need every day. This time, I did things differently. I started small. I focused on one thing and I improved slowly. At first, the money was small, but it was consistent. Then it started growing. Let me explain it simply. Imagine planting a seed. You water it every day. At first, nothing happens. But after some time, it grows. That is what happened. The difference was simple. I stopped chasing everything and started building something. Here are the biggest lessons I learned, and I will go over them for your sake. Lesson 1. Not all hustles are equal. Some look easy but are very hard. Lesson number 2. Consistency beats excitement. The best hustle is the one that works every day. Lesson 3. Skills pay more than effort. Working harder is not enough. Lesson 4. Patience is everything. Success takes time. There were days I wanted to quit. Days I felt stuck. Days I felt like nothing was working. But I kept going, and that made the difference. So, if you're living abroad, working hard, trying to build something, you are not alone. But you must be careful. Do not chase everything. Choose one thing. Learn it, build it, grow it, and you will succeed. Thank you. If this video helped you, subscribe to Kristo Invest for more simple and real strategies to make money and build wealth in the diaspora. And in the next video, I will show you the best side hustles you can start today, even if you're starting with little money. See you in the next one. Thank you.